You may not think of math as having much vocabulary, but it does. Knowing and understanding math vocabulary is the key to solving word problems. It's important that you memorize any of these words that you don't know. Integers are numbers that do not have any fractions or decimals. They can be positive or negative and do include 0. Examples of integers are -1, 0, and 1. Whole numbers are like integers in that they can't be fractions or decimals. They do include 0, but they cannot be negative. Examples of whole numbers include 0, 1, and 2. Positive numbers are numbers that are greater than 0. Examples of positive numbers are 1, 2, and 3. Negative numbers are numbers that are less than 0. Negative numbers include -1, -2, and -3. Prime numbers are numbers that are only divisible by themselves and 1. 2 is the smallest prime number. It is important to note that 0 and 1 are not considered prime. Examples of prime numbers include 2, 3, 5, and 7. Even numbers are numbers that can be divided by 2 with no remainder. Examples of even numbers are 0, 2, 4, and 6. Note that 0 is even. Odd numbers are numbers that can't be divided by 2 without a remainder. Examples of odd numbers are 1, 3, and 5. Consecutive numbers are numbers in the specified order. Examples of consecutive integers are 1, 2, and 3. You could also have something like consecutive multiples of 4, which would be 4, 8, and 12. Factors are numbers that divide evenly into another number. For instance, factors of 8 include 1, 2, 4, and 8. Multiples are the result of multiplying an integer by another number. Multiples of 8 include 8, 16, 24, and 32. A digit is a number 0 through 9. It includes all of the numbers from 0 to 9. The units digit is another name for the ones place. For example, the units digit in the number 365 is 5. The units digit in the number 10 is 0. The mean is the average of a set of numbers. In this example, the mean of 3, 4, and 5 is 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 3, which is equal to 4. The median is the middle number in a set of numbers. Before answering the question, you must always put the numbers in order first. Once they are in order, find the middle number. If there are two numbers in the middle, take the average of them by adding them together and dividing by 2. In the first example, the median is 2 because it is the middle of 1, 2, and 3. In the second example, the median is 2.5 because it is the average of the two middle numbers, 2 and 3. The mode is the most common number in a set of numbers. Please note that you can have more than one mode, or you can have no mode. In the first example, the mode is 1 because it appears the most times. In the second example, the mode is both 1 and 2 because they both appear 2 times. Distinct numbers are numbers that are different from each other. In this problem, there are 5 distinct numbers because 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 are all different from each other. Positive numbers are numbers that are greater than 0. Examples of positive numbers include 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Negative numbers are numbers that are less than 0. Examples include -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. Note that 0 is neither positive nor negative. The sum is an answer to an addition problem. For example, the sum of 1 plus 3 is 4. The difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. The difference of 4 and 3 is 1. The product is the answer to a multiplication problem. The product of 1 and 3 is equal to 3. The quotient is the answer to a division problem. For example, the quotient of 6 and 3 is 2. The remainder is the leftover after you divide. Note that it is not a fraction or a decimal. It is the actual number that is left. For instance, if you divide 6 by 4, 4 goes in one time with a remainder of 2.